Hello everyone. This is what 155 plugged spill port injectors sound like when they don't have the proper tune at idle in park. That's my idle. One warm and hot only. Cold is fine. This is a warm engine. Park. Let's take it out of park. Ah, nice. Neutral. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. You could try to increase the idle RPM all you want. It's not going to get rid of this. I guess when there's absolutely no strain on the engine, it does this. See, when I put a load on it, it tries to. So I'm gonna get that tune. So, but that's what it sounds like. 155 Warren diesel injectors at idle without the proper tune. I'm being told that the tune will take this away. I really hope it does, because I get no codes. But when I sit here and idle like this, I get a ton of codes. So we'll see. Thanks, guys. Hey, guy. Subscribe, like, critique, whatever you want. This is just my day-to-day with this truck. 2004 6.0.